Okay, so when you come in, it's super small. We love our balcony room, but we decided to go for inside this time to check it out, and it was a lot cheaper. Okay, you guys, so we booked an inside room for this cruise, so we're gonna take you to our inside room. So our room number is 427 on deck 10, interior. Come on in. Oh, there's a kid in here. Okay, so when you come in, it's super small. We love our balcony room, but we decided to go for inside this time to check it out, and it was a lot cheaper. So this is the bathroom. It looks about the same size than the balcony room.
It is.
And the usual, you know, storage. All the usual, you got the body wash thing. So that one is a shampoo and body wash combined together. There's a little soap. Well, we were debating if we should pack lotion. And we didn't know if there would be lotion. I don't see any lotion. So definitely pack the little travel size lotions. Then when you exit, you got storage closet. Oh, you know what? I read something. The first night is cheaper to do your laundry. Like they have a special, and they charge you less for like a bag of laundry. I think skirt. I'll have to look into that. So you got a closet to hang your stuff here. There's another one there, so I'm not sure what's in there. This thing here. To hang the pants and stuff like that. Then Zaya's bed, she's sitting on it. You got a little safe, some more storage, little drawer, 2 drawer, the bed, and then they left us. There's 2 towels to go. Scan QR code. Oh, okay. So you can order 2 towels. Request before 6 p.m. Dressed in. Oh, this is it. This is what I was talking about. So, Express Press Special, $17.49. So you can put these items for that amount of money, and then you can get it back to you within 48 hours. It says up to 10 pieces. So that's pretty cool. It's a good price. If you bring all your stuff, dump it in a bag and give it to them, they'll bring it back up to you. Especially if you have your dress clothes for formal night. This is perfect. What is this? Cruise compass. Oh, cruise compass gone green. So you gotta scan. You have to scan the QR code. They left us.
You mean the top has to be green?
Oh, this is the stuff you could buy extra in addition. Beverage, casino. Oh, there's a casino. Dining, shore excursion, retail, photo, spa, internet, picture, all that stuff. So they give you an idea of what they have. They didn't put a cruise compass though, so.
They say cruise compass going green. You gotta scan the barcode.
Oh, no, I was looking for the hard copy.
That's why they say going green means that.
And then the kids club stuff, it gives you the hours and all of that stuff. Curfew, diaper. So they give you like the basic info and an extra wristband for Zaya. But she has to wear that wristband for the entire cruise. But this is it, you guys. Oh, there's this here too. There's a little table. Does this table move? Yeah, this table actually moves. Look. So you could take it to the bed, eat.
Really? You have the table in the bed?
We're gonna be bringing like 10 slices of pizzas.
Uh-huh. But we usually eat it right here, look.
Oh, okay. Blow dryer. Cool. I need this. Conair blow dryer. You got some tissue. And I think that's about it. Oh, the mini fridge, I think. Yep, mini fridge. Super small. You can't even fit a plate in there from the last cruise we went on. There's no way to put a plate. But you could put like drinks, keep it like nice and chilled. And then you have these additional drawers for like underwear, socks, that type of stuff. But yeah, simple room tour. Interior room 427.